Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So the reason why this might be happening is because of your domain. So right now on the funnel that you're using to try and purchase those things, you're using this particular domain or this one. You don't need to have two of the same domain. So you need to actually add this domain where it says secure, just like this one. Okay, so go ahead and add your custom domain so that it says secured, and then attach it to the funnel. Of course, when you add your domain, you also need to go inside and select a full for error page and default page as well, which is this and this. Okay, so see here, let's choose something. Same thing with this, you just choose something, and that's it. And then of course you add the SSL, which I'm just going to attach an article that would help you in doing this successfully. Okay, so that's that's the major reason of what I think is causing that issue. Another thing I noticed on this page is you also have like a custom code. So if you try testing your funnel and it doesn't work, you might want to just remove this code and put it on a notepad or something, and then test the funnel again. So custom codes can cause issues for your page. So that's for that, for your payment not going through. Remove the custom codes on all the pages and also add the domain successfully, and it should go through. As for knowing how to edit this, yes, I will take it. What I want you to do is click on the order form, the order to step, click on this step 2 here, and keep scrolling down. You're going to see where it says edit step 2, and then you go from hide to show. Okay, I'll do that again, from hide to show, and then it will bring up all these things. Then you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then what it says bump headline, which is this. Hi. Alright, so you see it's changed. You can also edit this and this and this and whatever it is. You can edit whatever you want to say whatever you want. This is awesome. Right, so that's how to do that. Let me know if that answers your question, and bye for now.